Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best tool for an online accounting solution. For more information, hold the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out. The I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is QuickBooks? QuickBooks is a bookkeeping programming bundle created and advertised by Intuit. QuickBooks items are intended predominantly for little and medium-sized organizations and offer on-premises bookkeeping applications, just as cloud-based adaptations that acknowledge business installments, oversee and take care of tabs, and finance capacities. If you want to join, link in the description box. What is QuickBooks and how would you use it? QuickBooks is a private venture bookkeeping programming program organizations use to oversee pay and costs and monitor the monetary well-being of their business. You can utilize it to receipt clients, take care of tabs, produce reports, and plan for charges. What is QuickBooks useful for? QuickBooks is an incredible business bookkeeping programming for little to moderate-sized entrepreneurs. It assists spare with timing on accounting and desk work. It consequently handles a portion of the simple accounting assignments, sparing you time, and filling your heart with joy. Simpler. Is QuickBooks simple to learn? QuickBooks is a broadly utilized bookkeeping programming. One thing to shoulder as a top priority about the instrument is that it has a lofty expectation to absorb information. There are, truth be told, numerous approaches to learn QuickBooks programming at home. Contingent upon the alternative you pick, your financial plan to finish the errand might be free or it might cost $400. Would I be able to get QuickBooks for nothing? In spite of the fact that QuickBooks at present costs cash after their 30-day free preliminary, some entrepreneurs have sorted out some way to get it for nothing. There are some unlawful choices, such as torrenting the product. Or then again, there's some amazingly confounded alternatives, such as pursuing another free preliminary at regular intervals. Do I need a bookkeeper on the off chance that I use QuickBooks? Regardless of whether you deal with your cash utilizing QuickBooks, it merits having your government form checked and endorsed by a bookkeeping master. On the off chance that you have a more muddled business structure, for example, a restricted organization, it's once in a while fitting to do your own expense form, given the nitty-gritty information required. Is learning QuickBooks justified, despite any trouble? Taking a QuickBooks class is certainly justified regardless of the venture for anybody wanting to utilize QuickBooks to do their own accounting or bookkeeping, or to give accounting or bookkeeping administrations to other people. The QuickBooks Online accreditation is free and incorporates study materials to set you up for the affirmation test. What are the 4 essential highlights of QuickBooks Accountant? 2. QuickBooks Accountant's 4 essential highlights are records, structures, registers, and reports and diagrams. 3. Records are utilized to oversee names and related data on such things as clients, sellers, representatives, stock, and records. To give some examples. How would I get QuickBooks certified? 1. 3 simple strides to get QuickBooks affirmed. 2. Attend an instructional course. Our 2-day Mastering QuickBooks class is the most ideal approach to begin your way to QuickBooks confirmation. 3. Get arranged. Learning QuickBooks is the main advance to getting guaranteed. Take the test. You're nearly there. Would it be advisable for me to purchase QuickBooks or use it on the web? QuickBooks Online has a less expensive month-to-month cost and is more moderate on the off chance that you have a great deal of representatives who will utilize the product. QuickBooks Desktop Pro is less expensive in the event that you needn't bother with extra clients and in the event that you plan on utilizing the product for a very long time prior to updating. Which QuickBooks is ideal? QuickBooks Pro is the most well-known form of QuickBooks. For a basic explanation, it contains the most usually required bookkeeping highlights at a sensible cost. In case you're on the lookout for Windows-based independent venture bookkeeping programming, it truly comes down to QuickBooks Pro and QuickBooks Premier. How ACH Bank moves work. To begin with, pursue QuickBooks Payments. At that point, select the check or ACH installment strategy as you make a one-time or repeating deals receipt or as you get installment. Enter your client's bank information. Get approval from your client. You can peruse them a content or have them round out a structure. Cycle the exchange and get paid. The remainder of this article experiences each progression in more detail. Stage 1. Select the installment strategy. Beginning from the receive payment, sales receipt, or recurring transactions page, select the check installment technique so the Performance Center Bank Information button shows up. Or then again in the event that you add another installment technique name, for example, ACH Bank Transfer, ACH Bank, or Transfer and select it, and Enter Bank Data button shows up in those cases, as well. Stage 2, Enter Bank Data. Snap Enter Bank Data and round out your client's financial balance information, telephone number, and name. In the event that you clear this record data later on box, you'll need to handle the exchange inside 10 minutes for your client's security. Stage 3, Get Approval. Regardless of whether you spare the record data for the future or not, you actually need to request approval from your client. Snap one of the content connects to open the approval structure or content. Stage 4, Process the installment. Close the approval structure or content and select them Have Marked Approval checkbox to show you've gotten the approval. Click Spare. At long last, back on the fundamental structure, select Have Approval and might want to handle this exchange and click Save and Send. Roll out any improvements to the email message to ship off your client and click Save and Close. You'll get a receipt affirming that the installment is on its way. Also, QuickBooks consequently records the installment to stay up with the latest. I hope you really enjoy the video. If you get more interesting videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, share the video and leave a comment. Good luck.